I'd lost the connector.
Stop it.
All the bits, all the bits. Stop, that stinks. We haven't even been here 15 minutes yet. And shit is...
It is safe.
You're holding up with my impact gun on a piece of wood.
That sounds out now.
That's safe, yeah. No! Yep. Dude, are you sure it's not going to puncture a hole into the fuel tank?
I'll be fine.
Please, can we just stick a plank of wood on it?
It'll be fine. Oh yeah, didn't we get this off when it was on its side and we just dropped it on the floor?
Yes. Okay, dude.
Yeah, it's fine. Keep going. There we go. Send. Stop it. Slightly dented, but it's fine.
The axle stump came out from underneath the car, buddy. Oh my god.
Then.
What do you say I fixed this with?
It's fine.
I've lost 5 litres of fuel capacity. Dude, stop. That stinks. Ugh.
I don't think it would run on that.
I think it'll run on it.
I think we should drain it.
Nope. The reason why we're doing this is because Felix at 3 in the morning decided it was a good idea to cut the connector off to the fuel tank.
You cut the fuck.
We won't get bogged down with who actually cut the connector off to the fuel tank, but what Felix
Who lost it?
Felix lost the connector. I'd lost the connector.
This is a really dumb idea, isn't it?
It's a safe idea, this, dude. I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm gonna stand back.
Where do I cut? Here? There? There. Dude, look. It's gonna leak if you keep giving it all this negative energy, okay? You've got to finesse it. Yeah, that one's tightened up. There we go. Do you want me to pull on it? Nice.
Wow.
That is a beautiful cut, dude.
Thank you.
That's a return!
It fucking returns, so it's good enough.
Right, so guys, here we have some petrol and somebody, not gonna name any names, there's some piss as well. we're gonna see if it'll go up on that. It should be fine. Love this this fueling situation that we've got going on here. That's not gonna work. How are you gonna get fuel in that? Okay, I think that's as good as we're getting it for in there. Now it's going in. Yeah, that's mint. All the bits. You sure this is petrol?
You should have put a flipping cloth so that it filters it a little bit.
Nah, all the bits. Yeah, it'll make it go faster.
One more fuel in it.
Hey! I can see fuel here, and there's fuel there as well.
I'm gonna crank it.
Alright, see what happens. Almost. engine light just went.